All right, we're page 252, number 3, and we're going to integrate these. We've got limits. We got 0 and -1. We're going to reverse chain rule. So first I take a look at what I would have multiplied by the inside. That's 2, so I take the reciprocal of that. I leave a gap here. I'm going to write this down, 2x plus 3. I'm going to raise the power from 3 to 4. And now I'm going to take the reciprocal of that and put that in that space I left, because that's the same thing as dividing by 4. And now all I got to do is multiply, and this is my function, and I'm going to put a 0 in there and a -1 in there, and I'm going to subtract whatever those outputs are. Now what I do is I just write out everything I'm about to do step by step right underneath each other, and then I'm going to plug them into my calculator to figure it out. And I'm going to get 81/8 and then 1/8, and 81 minus 1 is going to be 80/8, which is going to equal 10. So on this one, we've got to clean it up a little bit by getting that denominator moved up to the numerator. We're going to make it 6 times x minus 2 to the -2. And now we're going to go ahead and take a look inside there. That would have been a 1, so the reciprocal of 1 is still 1. I don't got to write it, but I'm going to. And then 6, I'm going to leave a space here. And then I'm going to write the insides. It's going to be x minus 2. And then I'm going to raise the -2 up by 1. So that's going to be -1. The reciprocal of -1 is 1. And now all I'm going to do is multiply. I'm going to get -6 times x minus 2 to the -1 power. That's my function. I'm going to put a 1 in there and a -1 in there, and then I'm going to find those two values, and then I'm going to subtract them. And that's going to be my answer. For when I put a 1 in there, I get a 6, a -1, I get a 2. 6 minus 2 is 4, and that's my answer. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.